Before a product ever reaches the factory floor, 3D CAD modeling plays a critical role in ensuring design accuracy and efficiency. With powerful simulation capabilities, engineers can recreate real-world conditions virtually, subjecting their designs to stress, heat, motion, and other operational forces. This virtual testing environment reveals potential weaknesses or failure points long before any physical prototype is built, saving both time and resources. For example, a mechanical part can be analyzed for structural integrity using finite element analysis within the CAD software, highlighting areas where material may be too thin or where stress concentrations could lead to cracks. Visualization is another major advantage of 3D CAD modeling. Unlike traditional 2D drawings, a digital 3D model offers a complete and immersive view of the product from every angle. Designers and stakeholders can explore the assembly, identify possible interferences or misalignments, and verify that all components fit together seamlessly. This detailed visualization also enhances communication across teams, reducing misunderstandings and ensuring everyone is working from the same comprehensive perspective. Perhaps the most transformative aspect of 3D CAD is the ability to rapidly iterate. When a design flaw is detected, whether through simulation or visualization, engineers can quickly adjust dimensions, swap out components, or alter materials directly in the software. These changes are instantly reflected in the updated model, allowing for immediate re-evaluation and further refinement. This iterative process accelerates innovation and drastically reduces the lead time between concept and production. Ultimately, 3D CAD modeling empowers teams to detect and resolve design flaws early in the development cycle. By leveraging simulation, enhanced visualization, and rapid iteration, companies can deliver higher quality products to market faster, with fewer costly surprises along the way.